Alright, what we have here today is a 52-inch antique brass Tatung Ghengis Khan ceiling fan. This fan here likely dates sometime around early mid-80s, probably around 1983 if I were to guess. 1983 or 84. 3-speed electrically reversible fan. Definitely quite unique. Definitely a take on the Emperor style fan. Has a weird polygonal motor housing there with ornate detail stamped in each panel. It's got the Emperor style crest looking blade irons. Dark oak cane insert blades. Switch housings cast, ornate cast switch housing cap. The light on the fan is original to the fan. That's what was on it when I got it, at least. Definitely a pretty cool fan. You don't really see these all too often. This fan uses a massive 212mm motor. Part cast, part stamped. Bottom end's cast. The top plate is stamped. Blade pitch, probably 12, 13 degrees. Show you the light. This is a Tatung pull file, but it's not original to this fan. I figured since I had it lying around, I'd put it on this fan. I'm not sure if it would have came with an identical fob or not when it was new. Got a bit of hum to it, but otherwise low speed is a tad bit fast for average. Take it up to medium. As you can see, it has a wobbling issue here, likely due to poor balancing on the fan blades. Everything seems to be in pretty well alignment, and the blades are not really that warped. So it's likely a balancing issue. Unfortunately, high speed it's really going to shake, so I'm not going to show high speed very long. But probably doing 160, 170 RPM. And we'll take it to 5. And we'll watch it dance. Yeah, this thing shakes real bad for whatever reason. Other than that, it runs pretty well. The motor tag says it's rated at 200 RPM for high speed, which is about spot on. We're going to shut this thing off. Yeah, motor tag's pretty spot on. But that's all I got for this fan, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 52-inch antique brass Tatung Ghengis Khan ceiling fan from the early to mid 1980s. Stay cool. Peace.